Building a church website with Squarespace is an effective way to connect with your congregation and share important information. Here's a simple guide. Sign up for Squarespace. Go to the Squarespace website and create an account. Select a plan that fits your needs. Typically, the personal or business plan is sufficient for a church. Choose a template. Browse through the available templates, selecting one designed for community or church websites. Click Start with this design to begin customizing. Customize your site. Access the design section to personalize your website's colors, fonts, and layouts. Consider a welcoming theme that reflects your church's identity. Add essential pages. Create pages for home, about us, services, events, sermons, and contact. Use the Pages menu to organize these sections. Upload content. Add relevant content such as service times, sermon notes, event details, and community resources. Utilize images and videos to engage visitors. Incorporate donations. If desired, set up a donation page using Squarespace's commerce features to allow online giving. Optimize for SEO. Fill in SEO titles and descriptions in the settings section to improve search visibility. Publish and promote. Once satisfied, click Publish. Share the website link on social media, newsletters, and during services to encourage visits.